Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna stock my skincare fridge. So there's I have stuff everywhere for this fridge. Even though it's tiny, I dropped a tool, but I found it. So here's the fridge. It's like getting cold, and it opens. And the first thing we're gonna put in is like this little face roller because, yeah, just, so let me turn it over here so you can see, just scooch all that stuff. And you see this little thing right over here? It's perfect for that. The next thing that's going in is all my face masks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I can still fit a bunch in. The next thing we're gonna put in is all my skincare. So first, starting with my Bubble Moisturizer, like that, and it's starting to get cold. Next, we're gonna put in some Drunk Elephant, the metal foam oil. Next, this bubble oil. I lay it down. Here, let's see if it will close like that. No. So I'm just gonna lay it like on top of my face mask because that's not the way it's gonna work. Next, this like Mary Kay. It's like a it is a gel facial. Next, we're putting in the Mary Kay sunscreen. And let's turn that on. Next, we're just going to put in this Glow Recipe dewdrops. And that's the last thing. Look at the fridge. It's so cute. And then I have like all my makeup over here. And in here, yeah. But it's good for if like you have any skincare or skincare tools that you have to keep cold, so they help your face. I just love it because it's like so cute. So when I do my nighttime routine, it's gonna be a fire with my new fridge. And headbands, I'm getting them sometime this month. I know that. It's starting to get cold, so that's good. And in the back, it looks crazy. It's blowing out hot air. And then there's like this little like handle to carry it with up here like that. So, yeah. It's just so cute. I'm right-handed, so for the handle to be on this side is crazy. And look, so you feel it, like this roller, it feels really, really good, right? But then, when it's cold, it feels even more better. Bye, guys.